Hello, friends. Oh, so already so many people waiting for this live stream to begin, right? I'm so glad I found so many good students here. Raghunathan and then P. Srinivas, Sainath, and Cricket Gaming. Okay, everybody waiting for this live stream, huh? Okay, so what are we going to do today? A very, very interesting topic, and I'm sure a lot of participation will be there today for this particular live session. Oh, this particular session, I'm going to take up comparing and ordering fractions. Whenever you are given five or six different fractions and you are asked to find the greatest of all, then you are always trying to go for the okay. So I was just reading the comments there. So everybody goes for LCM, right? When you compare and order fractions. So what if I tell you a method through which you will be telling me which is the greatest among the given fractions without taking LCM? Yes, without taking LCM. That's something you need to master today in this particular live stream. So as I wait for more friends to join in, so that the concept does not go waste, I'll give you one question of simplification and then I will tell you the concept because still my friends are joining in slowly. Okay, so the session is about comparing and ordering fractions. Now today the calculators are not going to work, so no calculators are required. Please don't carry calculators. Today you have to use the method which I am telling you, and unless and until you understand the concept, you won't be able to do the problems today. Fine. Okay, so it's always a pleasure reading those chats, but I uh, react to very less number of chats because it's like if I start reacting to all chats, then the entire 1 hour will go waste in chats only. So before taking up the concept of this, just go for one simplification problem so that we can allow time for other students to join in. Okay, so this is the first question for today. Try to find, you need to find this 2 by 3 minus 1 upon 5 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay, so you need to tell me the answer for this question. Let's allow time for others to join in, and in the meanwhile you can solve this question and tell me the answer. Okay, so Ojaswa Garg. Okay, thank you for that, and I'm glad you are getting benefited. So how many people have clicked the like button? Okay, I can see 12 likes there. Okay, so I think I need to tell you the trick first. So I'll tell you the trick comparing and ordering fractions, and then you can like the video surely. Okay, 81 by 42 answer coming up from Sushma VK Jay Patel. I think you have not cut the common factor there. Jay Patel, there is a common factor there. There is a common factor 3. Harish, okay. So 81 by 42 is the answer I am getting. P. Srinivas, slightly different. 39 upon 14. Okay. So 81 upon 42, all those who are giving 81 upon 42, can you see another common factor there? 81 upon 42 also has a common factor. So I'm sorry. If it is 81 upon 42, the answer has to differ. I don't think I can find any correct answers here because they are not in lowest form. So the first question itself is, proving to be a headache for so many people. Okay, now 27 upon 14, 39 upon 14, 81 upon 42, and then 243 upon 126, so many different answers. Minus 61 upon 30, 27 upon 14, now gaining majority. See, this is what happens. Getting to the answer in the first attempt is really very, very important. 27 upon 14 now. Yes. Okay, so let's see this solution on the board. See, 3 minus half is 2 and half, right? 2 and half is 5 by 2. So this is 5 by 2. So 5 minus 2 by 5 means 4 by 5. So 25 minus 4 is 21 by 5, right? So this is 2 by 3 minus 1 upon 21 by 5 is 5 by 21, right? And then plus 3 by 2. Now you need to take the LCM of these numbers, and it's very easy. See, 3 divides 21 exactly, so leave 3. 21 and 2, LCM is 42, right? So 42 divided by 3 is 14, 14 to the 28. 42 divided by 21 is 2, 2 5 is 10. 42 divided by 2 is 21, 21 into 3 is 63. So 63, 53, 63, 73, 81. So 81 by 42, this was the answer given by so many, but you can see that they are divisible by 3. So 27 and 14. So 27 upon 14 is the answer which was required. So initially, a lot of people telling me that the answer is 81 upon 42, but answer is not 81 upon 42. Please, you can't give a answer which has a common factor in the numerator and denominator. So let me see who gave the correct answer first. But that answer came when I gave the hint, right? So someone was very clever there. Okay, so 81. No, I'm not going to consider that. 27 upon 14 came from Jay Patel. Well done, Jay Patel. Good work. After that, Sushma VK, yes, Brainy Sisters, there yesterday also. Great work. Manoj Reddy, and then Prakash Chandra Verma, and Akhil. Then lot of people coming up with the correct answer after that. Okay. Uh, that was really surprising for me because this wasn't a difficult question, but fetching so many different responses. Okay, how many people have joined in? 45 people have joined in. So I'll wait for say 2-3 more minutes. So I'll give you one more question. Then I'll come to the concept. Fine. The second question for today, a simple question of percentage now. 81.4% of 234 minus 61% of 92. Okay, now this is a difficult one. Let me see how many people answer this one correctly. So vertically and crosswise, that is going to help you out here. And somebody should come up with the answer, but it's a difficult question. Yeah, already demand for price question, right? But price question is given, there's a condition, price question is given only when we have 100 participants of the live stream, because I want good competition. Now here the answer should not be in fractions. Sorry, the answer should not be in, yeah, if you bring it in fractions, that is very difficult. You can give the answer in decimals. Yeah, it has to be in decimals. Too much calculation, Jay Patel. Yes, it is too much calculation. And that's where smartness comes in. The calculation, you are feeling that this is too much calculations because you don't know the short trick of multiplying numbers. Once you know the short trick of multiplying numbers, this is not too much calculations. Very easy one. Sandhya, I have not explained anything. This is just I'm waiting for more people to join in. Then I will tell comparing and ordering fractions. Okay, 134.356, that's the answer I'm getting. So I'll wait for 10 more seconds, then I'll tell you the answer for this. Okay, so here we go. See, 814 and 234. Let's multiply these two numbers. 4 4 is 16, 6 1 carry. 12, 16, 17, 7 1 carry. 32, 40, 43, 44. 4 4 carry. 24, 26, 30, 0 3 carry. 16 and 319. So this is the product of these two numbers. Now 1, 2 and 3. 190.476 is the first percentage. Now second percentage. 61 and 92. So 2, 9 and 12 is 12 and 9 is 21, 1, 2, 54, 56. 5612 is the product. So two decimal places. So 56.12. So we need to subtract these numbers, right? Very easy now. 6, 5, 3, 4, 3, and 1. So 134.356. Not very big calculations. What did I do here? I have just used a simple trick of multiplication of numbers. That's it. Okay. That's how you need to calculate things. Yeah, somebody is very amused there. 134.356. Who gave the answer first? Bradnock. No, Sushma VK is there. Sushma, why did you convert that in fractions first and then in decimals? Fractions are not required here. Okay. Bradnock, well done. I don't know your name. I've seen you for the first time on the live streams, but all the same, a very good work. And then Prakash Chandra Verma, well done. Bhaskar Pal, you are always there. Limra Shah, you are waiting for the prize question, right, Limra? Okay, you need to post the live link with your in your WhatsApp groups and contacts so that people can join in and we can have the prize question. Okay, Manjeet Chaube, yeah, well done. And then Harish Karedla also getting that one correct. Wow, now it's so easy. Yeah, Nivedita Bhagwat, it is easy. Everything is easy if you have the right attitude towards numbers. Okay. Chalo, 50 plus people have joined in, and I think I should tell you the concept for today's video, and then we will be practicing that concept, and then we will be having the prize question based on the same concept. Okay. Well, the concept of comparing and ordering fractions. Now, this is very important for all competitive exams also. When I tell people that without taking LCM, you can compare two or more fractions and you can find out which is the greatest one, which is the smallest one. That's, people think that I'm joking, but yes, we can do that. Okay. So how do we get to that particular concept? Let's see. Now watch carefully because this is the concept we are going to use and this is the concept on which the prize question will be based. Suppose we have two fractions like 7 upon 11 and let's take 8 upon 13. Now I want to find which one of them is greater. So I don't need to equalize the denominators. तो छोटे बच्चे करते हैं, the small kids, that's what they do. They equalize the denominators and then find the answer. What do I do is, this is the numerator of the first fraction. So I cross multiply it with the denominator of the other. So 7 into 13 is 91. I will write here below 7. That's important. Below 8, I will write 8 into 11, 88. Now just compare these two numbers. 91 is greater than 88, right? So this fraction 7 upon 11 is greater than 8 upon 13. That's it. The process of cross multiplying, and then finding the greater fraction is actually the process of finding the numerator after taking the LCM. If you can understand my statement, you know how to find the greater and the lesser fraction. Lot of friends, yeah, everybody told that, but questions will not be that simple. We will have more than two fractions, not two fractions only. Okay. And this is concept building session right now. We will have questions for you, don't worry. Let's take two more fractions. Suppose we have 3 upon 7 and 7 upon 11. See, this is 33, this is 49, so 7 upon 11 is greater. So how much time do you think you will take to find the greater fraction now? See, I didn't even allow you time to post your answers now. Now the answers are coming when I already told it. Only 2 seconds, yes. And where will those 2 seconds go? Cross multiplication. That's it. The numerator which gives a larger product with the denominator of the other, that fraction is greater. Okay. So somebody is saying 2 seconds, half second, 1 second, 0.001 seconds, and so on. Okay. How will I, use this concept for finding the greatest among three fractions? Now just watch. Yeah, Raghunathan, I'm taking that only now. Just by observing, yes, Akhil, that's what, that's the exact response I was looking for. Just by observing, you can tell, okay, this is the greater one. So वो बच्चों वाला काम छोड़ दो अब, ठीक है? जितने लोग भी वो बच्चों वाला काम करते हैं ना, एलसीएम लेने वाला काम, वो छोड़ दो. We don't need to take LCM now. थोड़ा अपनी जो कैलकुलेशन स्पीड जो है ना, उसको इंक्रीज करना है आपने. और इंक्रीज पता है कैसे हो, किससे? मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना बहुत स्पीड आना चाहिए आपको, बहुत तेजी से आना चाहिए. एंड addition also, if your oral addition is strong, then oral multiplication is also strong. And if you are good in multiplication of numbers, nothing like that, so many concepts will be simplified for you. अरे यार 55 people watching, 30 likes on the video. हर बार एक नई चीज आपको सिखाता हूँ, and every day I have to tell you, यार please like कर दो, यार please like कर दो. Come on, the first thing you should do is to like the stream, right? Somebody should motivate. So I think I have to put on duties here. Somebody can remind everybody, अरे like कर दो यार, like कर दो यार, like कर दो. Okay, चलो देखो. मान लेते हैं कि we have three fractions now. 2/3, 7/9, 5/7. अभी ग्रेटेस्ट पता लगाना है. Okay. See, 18, 21. This is greater than, so this is smaller, no? So just leave this. 49, 45. So 7/9 is greatest. ऐसे पता लगाते हैं. हाँ, अभी 7/5, 2/3, पता है मुझे, आई नो. वो सब गलत आंसर शुरू हो गए हैं. अरे भास्कर, 7/5 तो है ही नहीं यार यहाँ पर. गगन राज, 2/3. You are saying 2/3 is the greatest. Wrong. That is why I am saying watch the concept carefully first. जब आप कंसेप्ट को अच्छे से समझ लोगे ना, तभी आपको ये सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत अच्छे से आएंगे. ठीक है. संध्या कोहली, you lost connection, please explain. Go faster please. अरे सुमन सिंह, फास्टर यार, ये कैसे फास्टर हो सकता है? कंसेप्ट कभी भी फास्ट नहीं होता, कंसेप्ट स्लो होता है, प्रैक्टिस फास्ट होती है. ओके, चलो देखो. अभी आपको मान लेते हैं इन द सेम क्वेश्चन यू आर आस्क्ड द स्मॉलेस्ट. तो ग्रेटर वाला को छोड़ देंगे, ठीक है। 18 21 21 इज ग्रेटर, नो, सो इसको छोड़ दिया। नाउ कंपेयर दिस एंड दिस। 14 15 15 इज ग्रेटर, नो, इसको छोड़ दिया। 2/3 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट। दिस इज हाउ, इस तरह से करना है अपने अब, ठीक है। अच्छा, अब समझ आ गया ना, समझ आ गया ना। नाउ look at the nature of questions which we are going to do today, okay? Okay, you know, maximum people who have subscribed the channel are from South India, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana very famous, the channel is very famous in Telangana. स्लो बताइए सर कंसेप्ट। अच्छा, चलो ठीक है, अब आगे देखो। वॉच नाउ। Now I am telling you the type of question I will be giving you as a prize question. So watch this very carefully. मान लेते हैं you are given some fractions like 5/9, 3/7, 4/11, 2/5, 4 fractions, okay? Now we are asked to find the value of 3 times the greatest minus 2 times the smallest. Now look at the question. It's a huge task for many people. Huge task. Why? Because they will be busy taking the LCM, equalizing the denominator, and then trying to find the greatest, smallest, then finding the calculation. But if you can find the greatest and smallest easily, nothing like that. Now watch how I would have done it. 35 27, so 35 is greater. 55 36, this is greater. 25 18, this is greater. So greatest is 5/9 minus 2 times smallest. Now 35 27, so this is smaller. 33 28, so this is smaller. 20 22, so this is smaller. 4/11. That's it. No calculation still now. 3 cancels 3 times, so 5/3 minus 8/11. That gives 55 minus 24, 31/33. हाँ, बहुत सारे गलत आंसर आएंगे, आई नो। So many people are going to get this one wrong. उसका रीजन बताऊं? Now see cricket gaming 17/21, 61/33. सुषमा, क्या हो गया आज? Look at this. Now 31/33 is coming up, yes, but स्पीड के लिए एक्यूरेसी को सैक्रिफाइस नहीं करना है, ओके? आई ऑलवेज टेल माय स्टूडेंट्स, you should be accurate first, after that work for speed. Now speed के चक्कर में आपने accuracy खो दिया. 31/33 is the answer which I was expecting. Now this is the nature of question which I will be giving you as the prize question today. So be very careful, practice it. Yes, I will give lot of examples, Raghunathan. I'll give lot of examples. Okay. कभी कभी थोड़ा सा डांट देता हूं मैं, so don't take my scolding otherwise, right? And don't dislike the video, come on. This is all for you. Yeah, Yash, thank you so much. See, I did not write anything to find the greatest and smallest. It is a question of just adding and subtracting of fractions for me. It is not a question of ordering the fractions, because I can do the ordering part very easily. I can find the greatest fraction among 7 different fractions in 7 seconds. Seven fractions. Okay. Now, let's see the next one. Similar kind of problem, different fractions. So the fractions are 9/13, 2/3, 7 by 9, 1 by 4. Now you need to tell me which is the greatest and smallest, obviously, and then half of the greatest. So G stands for greatest, okay? Minus 1/3 the smallest. This is the expression we need to find. So let's look for the greatest. 27, 26. This is greater. 81, 91. Right? So this is greater. 28, 9. So 7 by 9 is the greatest. 7 by 18. Now look for the smallest. 27, 26. This is smaller. 18, 21. This is smaller. 8, 3. So this is smallest. 1 by 4. So 1 by 12. Now 6 is the common factor. 6 3 is 18. 6 2 is 12. 14 minus 3 is 11. And 18 to the 36. Here is the answer. 11 upon 36. Now see, when I have taken time, it is just because I have explained it to you. Even after explaining it, I have taken how much time? About say 20 seconds or 25 seconds. If I do it for competing, I'll take half the time. And if you can do that in 10 seconds time, I don't think you have come across somebody who can do it in 10 seconds. This is really difficult, okay? Okay, if you have understood the concept, say yes. Just give me a yes there if you have understood the concept, because I am going to give one question for you to practice now. The next question will be for you. Great, easy. How to find greatest fraction? That's what I have been doing throughout the video. Come on, cricket gaming. You were there since beginning, right? Samuel McNeil, hello to you. Okay, so many yeses coming in now. Alok Rajput is saying no. Raghunathan, what didn't you understand? I failed to understand. What didn't you understand? Okay, fine. I think I'll explain one more question for you. Then your turn will come. The five fractions this time. I'm taking five fractions. Okay. So 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 6 by 11, 5 by 9, 3 by 7. Look at this five fractions. You need to find 4 times the greatest plus 3 times the smallest. G and S stands for greatest and smallest. 6 5s, 22, 30, 54, 55, 35, 5 by 9 is the greatest. So 4 times that is 20 by 9 plus. Let's look for the smallest. 1 by 3, 1 by 3 again, 1 by 3 again, 1 by 3. 3 times 1 by 3 is 1. 29 by 9 is the answer. See the number of responses I have got till now. Only one correct answer. And look at the number of wrong answers there. See, friends, this is what happens, when you start doing things yourself, then lot of wrong answers come in. Where is the devil in the question? There is no devil in the question. The devil is here. Because our teachers in the school, they are bound by the traditional methods. They have to award marks for steps. But if you are competing for performing well in multiple choice questions, you have to come out of the traditional approach. Where was the calculation in this? There was no calculation, friends. And we got the answer very easily. Okay. Are you ready now? Are you ready now? Shravani, okay, great. Found. Uh, the question for you. Let's see who gets the correct answer. In the meanwhile, I think we'll have 100 people. 68, 70 people have already joined. Let's see the next one. This is 4 upon 9, 3 upon 11, 5 upon 9. Oh, not 9, sorry. 5 upon 8, 2 upon 5, and 6 upon 13. These are the numbers. You need to tell me 4 times the largest minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now this is what you need to do. 4 times the largest minus 1 by 3. Question is for you. Just try that out. Let me see now who comes up with the correct answer first. Yeah, it is easy peasy, but you need to get the answer correct. Tarun, what is 14 by 24? 14 by 24, 14 and 24 are not co-prime. 19 by 15 by Sainath, 13 by 6 by the remaining people. And if 13 by 6 is correct, then this is really amazing. You know, somebody got that answer in 10 seconds. 53 by 22, Harish. 13 by 9, okay, Pratik Maurya. So 13 by 6, that is gaining majority now. Okay. This was the time required. That's it. If you are taking more time than this, then I think there's something wrong with the concepts. Shravan Nayak, 27 by 12 are not co-prime. उसमें 3 common factor है, काट दो यार. 28 by 30, 58 by 39, Rahul Kumar, 52 by 24. 52 by 24, Dhaval, why you write 52 by 24, man? There is a common factor there. Come on. Yeah, I didn't expect that from you. Come on, Dhaval. Reduce करो उसको. Okay. Let's see whether that answer 13 by 6 is correct or not. See, I have to find the largest, right? 44, this is greater. 32, 45, this is greater. 25, this is greater. 65, 48, this is greatest. 5 by 8. So 4 times 5 by 8 is 5 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So 15 minus 2, 13, 13 by 6. That's it. अरे इस क्वेश्चन में तो आपको 5 seconds, maximum 7 seconds. That's all. If you are taking more time, then you are not with Suresh Agarwal, sir. This maths is a different level maths. You know, did anyone study this in the schools? You were busy taking LCM of all the numbers, right? Don't lie, please. Everybody was busy taking LCM, right? अच्छा पीएस कुछ नया सिखाओ. आपका आंसर तो आया नहीं पीएस वहां पर. आप सबसे पहले मुझे आंसर देके दिखाओ, उसके बाद मैंने एक नया सिखाऊंगा आपको. ठीक है पीएस, आपके लिए चैलेंज है. यहाँ पे जितने लोग हैं ना, आप सबसे पहले आंसर देके दिखाओ मुझे. बेटर सेड देन डन, राइट? ओके. हाँ, वेरी गुड. चलो, लेट्स सी अनदर वन. अभी वो जो पीएस, somebody is there with the ID PS, he is saying कुछ नया सिखाओ, ये सब पुराना हो गया. Okay. So he doesn't know that we are competing for supremacy here. We're competing to increase the speed. Okay. Now he will not come because he has to compete with so many brilliant minds on the channel, no? So he will not come. Okay, let's see the next one. Now, in the same question, so this was the first part, okay? Now the second part in the same question. Can you tell me 1 minus 3 times the smallest whole square. Look at this. You need to find this. हाँ PS, चलो यार सबसे पहले आंसर दे दो. I know you are brilliant. Come on. या प्रमोद गुप्ता, वो सब कमेंट्स नहीं जाने वाले यार, छोड़ दो वो सब. Don't waste time on that. Vivek, if you post now repeated messages, I'm going to hide you from the channel. I'm sorry. I can't explain that, please. 35 minutes is gone. See, 2 by 11, 94 by 121, 4 by 121. Okay, minus 1, 34 by 121. Look at the number of answers. 104 by 121. Oh, 100 also. See the number of answers, friends, and enjoy. 2 by 3, 13 by 25, 2 by 11, 94 by 121. Oh my God. See, knowing the concept is just one thing. Getting to the correct answer by using a minimum time and minimum energy, that is another thing. अरे वो PS कहाँ गया यार, गायब हो गया. चलो. So 94 by 121, I think that's the answer which I'm getting. Pavan Kannan, I'm waiting for 100 people to join in. Wait, I will surely give prize question. 1 minus 3 times smallest square. How do we find this? So 1 minus 3 times something, right? Smallest. 44, 27. This is smaller. 24, 55. This is smaller. 15, 22. This is smaller. 39, 66. This is smallest. 3 by 11. So 3 times 3 by 11 square. So this is 121, no? And out of 121, how much to be taken out? 3 square, 9 3 is 27. Upon 121, कर लो, आ जाएगा आपका आंसर. 94 आएगा ना, upon 121. This is the answer. Now so many different answers here for this question. I don't know why. Oh, 94 by 121. Who gave me the correct answer first up? 94 by 121. I need to appreciate him or her. So the first correct answer, 94 by 121, came up from Ritvik Aditya Agarwal, very prominent name on the channel now. On the live streams, he's always there. Ritvik, well done. Sukol, I think you're watching from, I don't know from where, outside India, maybe somewhere, right? Okay, well done. That was amazing work. Very quick indeed. Okay. The next person to give me the correct answer was Jagdeep Taggar. He's there now, participating every day. He's won the PDFs also. Sai Kiran, another prominent name on the channel. And then Dhaval Sharma, yeah, he's also one of the winners of the PDF course. Then Harish, a little bit naughty, but you are quite good in calculations now. Akash Ganga, yeah, you were missing for so many days, but now you have come up with the correct answer very easily. And then who is the next one? Sandhya Kohli is there, and then Sonu Ishu. Okay, so many names. I've taken already 7 to 8 names. Okay, just wait for one more question, one or two more practice questions. Then I'm coming to the prize question now. Okay, 80 likes on the video. Can we take it to 100? So those who have joined now, they can take the like count to 100. If not the participant count, we can have the like count to 100. If any one of them happens, I'll surely come up with the prize question. Let's have the next one. The question will be again based on the ordering of the fractions. And if you can order the fractions correctly, then this is going to be easy one for you. Just be careful, but this is little bit tricky. 11 by 17, 5 by 11, 6 by 13, and 4 by 9. So these are the numbers. Now denominators are a little bit large. So you need to tell me the value of 1 minus the largest one square. This is the largest, plus the smallest one square. Now that is the question. 1 minus largest square plus smallest square. So L stands for the largest and S stands for the smallest. Now be careful with your answers. You can fumble here very easily. Okay, Marathi Dub Boy. Thanks for being a part of this channel briefly, and bye bye from the channel. So if you don't want me to hide people, please don't do all these things on the channel. Please, these things does not suit you. 0.7, 144 by 289, 0.77, 65 by 81, infinity, okay, fine, 0.7788, and then we have 144 by 289, in, yeah, Jet Insane, I think I got to hide you here. I'm sorry for that, because you're posting all rubbish comments here, disturbing everybody. Okay, so I think you don't listen like this. Okay, now let's see the answer for this particular question. So many different answers have come up, a lot of big numbers there, but I think some of them must be correct. And the answer is large, obviously, because the LCM is very large. Okay, so 1 minus the largest, 121 and 85, so this is bigger. 13 into 11 is 143, right? So 143 is bigger, 99 and 68. So this is the biggest. So 11 by 17 square plus the smallest. Now this is the largest, obviously. So this is smaller. 65, 66 smaller. 45, 44. So this is smallest, 4 by 9. Now this is what you need to do here. So this is 1 minus 121 by 289 plus 16 by 81. Okay. So this is something now you need to practice. Obviously, finding the LCM is very difficult here, because this number actually is not divisible by 3 and 81 is divisible by 3 only. So what you need to do is to multiply the two numbers. So 81, so I'll do it here, 9, 0, 4, 32. Okay. And the same number comes here, 23409 minus, and now 121 will be multiplied by 81. So that will give us 1, 0, 8 and 9. And then finally 289 will be multiplied by 16 to get to the last part. 16 and the 144. So 4, 2, 6 and 4. So these are the numbers. So 4624 added to 23409 and then subtract 9801 from that. I think that's the answer which everybody got, 18232 by 23409. So a lot of very sincere workers there, because I could see so many correct answers. हाँ देख लिया. Okay. Are you ready for the prize question, friends? Are you ready for the prize question, everybody? So you should not be, afraid of calculations, and I do use the. Okay, fine. So everybody is ready, right? Bernadette, I don't think we need to tell people this. It is useless to teach people something. They will do whatever they like to do. So it's just you carry on doing your bit, carry on contributing whatever you can contribute towards the society, and then forget the rest. If somebody gets attracted towards useless things, then who is getting spoiled? Right? He or she, right? So that's what I believe in, and I just go for good education. I just tell good things to people. If they obey it, it's okay. If they don't obey it, god bless them. Okay, now the prize question. One person who gives me the correct answer first up, he or she is going to win the 24 PDF short trick course free of cost. Okay, but only one person. That's important. The question is, I'm giving you five fractions, 2 upon 5. It's a easy one, 6 upon 7, 3 upon 8, 5 upon 9, 1 upon 4. Okay? So you need to tell me what is 1 upon largest plus 1 upon smallest minus 1. Get on with this question, friends. Okay. So, who is going to give me the correct answer first? 1 upon largest plus 1 upon smallest minus 1. I want the answer in fractions, not in decimals. Wow, this is great speed. So many answers have already come up, but I can see a variety of answers there. And I can see a variety of answers: 5 by 12, 25 by 6, 17 by 6, 37 by 6, 25 by 6, 29 by 6 also. See, that's what happens. तुषार, क्या हो गया भाई? ठीक हो? क्या कर रहे हैं हम, आपको पता है यहाँ पर? अरे यार, नेट प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करके आया करो. यू इफ यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन ए मैथ्स competition, then this excuses are not going to work for you. Okay. Time up, friends. I think I need to tell the answer now. 41 by 6 also minus 23 by 61. Oh my god. Haunted Vishnu, haunted gamer is gone. He is haunted now. He will not be here. Every day I don't like this actually. I hide at least 5 to 7 people every day on an education channel. And believe it or not, friends, when I reviewed the people whom I have hidden, it is a shameful thing that I have not hidden even a single person from outside India. That speaks for itself. Yeah, Rahul Kumar. That's what I was wondering. Harish, जाना है तो जाओ यार. What are you doing on the channel? You are just I think you don't have common sense. Maybe there is something wrong. Okay. Yeah, Vimal, it's correct. I do ignore them, but it's little depressing, right? Okay. Now come to this question. Let's find the answer to this and declare the winner for today's question. This is 1430, so this is bigger. 4821, this is bigger. 5435, this is bigger. 24/7, this is biggest. 6 by 7 is the biggest, so 7 by 6. Now come to the smallest. Smaller, 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 smallest. Minus 1. So 3 plus 7 by 6. 18 7 25 by 6. अरे खत्म यार. इतना सा क्वेश्चन था. I gave you a very easy question. Very, very easy question. 25 by 6 is the correct answer. Now, somebody is going to be really happy here. Somebody is going to jump with excitement. Who is that person? Let's see. 25 by 6 is what I am expecting. Okay. So, the answer 25 by 6 has come from, so hundreds of comments there. The first correct answer came from, I'll consider that, Ritvik Aditya Agarwal. Very well done. So you converted that into a mixed fraction, I understand. 25 by 6, if you divide 25 by 6, you get 4 and 1 remainder. So 4 1 by 6 is also correct, and 25 by 6 is also correct. So prize winner for today's prize question is Ritvik Aditya Agarwal. Well done, Ritvik, and hearty congratulations to you for getting that one correct. Friends, this question was not easy at all. And I got the answer in 7 to 8 seconds time. That's really, really amazing. So, everybody watching this, please congratulate Ritvik Aditya Agarwal. You can congratulate, friends. We have a big heart. Give thumbs up to Ritvik Aditya Agarwal. Well done, Ritvik. Shri Harsha and Harsh Singh. You were the second and the third persons. Narrowly missed, but rule is rule. I'll give the PDF course only to one person in a day. So Shri Harsha, very well done. And Harsh Singh. Then the fourth person to give me the answer was Kride Sood. Well done, Kride. I know you personally, right, Kride? Very, very well done. Participate every day. You will learn something new every day. Well done. And then Sushma VK, top 5 names who gave the correct answer. And I'm sure they must be really excited to hear their names here. And Ritvik Aditya Agarwal. So I'll have to write your name here on the blackboard, whiteboard rather. So prize winner for today, Ritvik Aditya Agarwal. Oh, that was really amazing. ऋत्विक थैंक्स कर दो यार सबका, देखो कितना आप लोगों आपको अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं सब लोग. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. द सेशन इज नॉट ओवर फ्रेंड्स, 5 more minutes टू गो. प्राइज क्वेश्चन खत्म हुआ है ना, बट यू आर नॉट हियर फॉर प्राइजेस, आई एम श्योर, राइट? ओके, नाउ इन द सेम क्वेश्चन आई विल ऐड वन मोर fraction which is 4 by 11. Okay, now you need to tell me 3 times the greatest minus 1 upon the smallest plus 1 by 3. Okay, 3 times the greatest minus 1 by the smallest plus 1 by 3. Can I have the answer for this now? Let's see who gets the answer correct for this. Yeah, so Hardo, Paul, you're very late. Yeah, Ritvik, that was really smart. And that's what is the smartness we require, in competitive exams. And you're going to do wonders. Rocks rivers. These things are not going to go through, rather you are going to get hidden from the channel. Bye-bye. Okay, so minus 23 by 21, minus 1 by 7, minus 1, minus 45 by 7, minus 59 by 21, 9 by 7, 1 by 4, minus 23 by 21, minus 85 by 33. Oh, what happened now? This is amazing. I'm getting so many different answers for this. Minus 1 by 7, 1, minus 3 by 7, minus 7 by 3, 6 by 7. I don't think any answers are matching here. There are no matching answers. All different answers. Okay. So I think today's live stream, I have minimum number of likes on the video. I don't know why, but maybe I have not done well today. My performance is not good today, right? But never mind. It's all your love, your affection, your regard, which gets me going. Okay. Just enjoy the number of answers which we are getting here. 133 minus 23 by 21. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. Oh, foolish people are there today. Okay, let's see the answer for this one. See, again the greatest and the smallest, right? So greatest will not change, but still I'll do it again. 14, 30 greater, 80, 48 and 21 greater, 54, 35 greater, 24, 7 greater, 66 greatest, right? 6 by 7. So 3 times that is 18 by 7 minus. Now the smallest. Smaller, 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 smallest. So the smallest remains the same, and again this is 1 by smallest, so 1 by 1 by 4, that is 4, and 1 by 3. So now 21 is the LCM, very easy. So 354, 84, 7, right? That's what is the simple calculation now you need to perform to get to the correct answer of this particular question. So what will be the answer? 54 minus 84 is minus 30, minus 30 plus 7 is minus 23. So minus 23 by 21, for me that is the correct answer for the question. You need to practice this concept, friends. This is a very, very interesting concept of comparing and ordering fractions through very, very amazing method. So let me see who gave the correct answer for this one. Minus 23 by 21. That's the answer I'm looking for. Mm, minus 23 by 21. A lot of wrong answers today in this question. Minus 23 by 21. Sukol, H Sukol, well done, H Sukol. I was expecting, this person comes in every day and participates so well. So someday you had to come on the top. Okay, well done, H Sukol, followed by Krides Sood again. Wow, Krides Sood, I'm so happy for you. And God bless you. Participate every day. And I'm sure you're going to learn something very good every day. Dhaval Sharma, very, very well done. So Hardo Paul, equally good. And who is the fifth one? Minus 23 by 21. Creative admirers, very well done. I admire you for that. And the next one, lot of wrong answers. And then Brainy Sisters, they got it right. Followed by the next person was Lokesh, very well done. And see the number of wrong answers after. I can't find any right answers. Oh, Akash Ganga, you got that correct. Creative admirers, I think you converted that to a lowest form then. I think Sainath and Siadri, Santoshi Siadri and Navina, they all got it correct. Well, friends, I hope you have learned something new today, something to practice and something to cherish for entire life and get yourself prepared for all those competitions which you are going to face someday in your life, right? So I'll be back with one more live stream tomorrow, and do join me tomorrow at 8 p.m. surely. And that's it from me today. 1 hour live stream is over. That's enough for today. So it's Dr. Suresh Agarwal signing off. Good night to all my subscribers, and stay blessed, everybody.